Hello, this is Swapna from the channel The Tech Outlook. In my last video, I have explained you how to create collection in MongoDB, how to insert documents in MongoDB. Now in this video, I will explain you how to update the document which is present in the collection. Already we have created college database. We will simply use that college database by using the uh, keyword use and the name of the database college. So here we are using the college database. Now we have created one collection under college database, that is student. So I will show you what we have inserted in college collection, student collection. db.student dot find. If I use pretty, so we can see number of documents that are there in the collection, this student collection. So already I have inserted 8 to 9 documents in student collection. Now I will show you how to update a document. Suppose if we want to update, we will take an example of this ID2. If I want to change the name of the ID2, the query is like this, update the name of the student who has ID2. So how to write that statement in MongoDB, that I will show you. So I will change it this Sapna to Swapna. So how to write that query? db dot name of the collection student dot update, then into this brackets we will write the condition. What is the condition? Where id is equal to 2. So we will specify the condition id colon 2. This is my condition. In my second bracket, what I will do, I will use $set operator. $set operator is used to modify or to update the name of the student id2. The id the student who has id2, that will be updated by using $set. So $set, then in the second brace we will write the name which is to be modified, name colon. So initially it was Sapna, now I want to change it to Swapna. So this is my name to be updated, and the set operator I will close it, and then simply I will close this bracket. So you can see here it is saying matched 1. So records are found. So only one record is there. So that's what it is saying, matched 1. And if you will see how whether it is changed or not, that can be seen by using db.student.find.pretty. So here you can see ID2. Initially it was Sapna, now it is Swapna. So with the help of this statement, with the help of this dollar operator, I have shown you how to update a single document. In my next video, I will explain you how to use multi-true statement, that is to be used for modifying number of records, number of documents that are there in the student collection. Thank you for watching my this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.